Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Zabzon. I hope you are doing well. In this channel, you are learning different techniques that are used in our daily life. Today, we will learn how to use Excel sheet in your daily life when you are present in your office and you want to make a sale detail, sale purchasing sheet, and converts the different details in 1 second and in a very urgent way. We will learn how to use it. For example, if we have different columns that is present in front of our sheet and we want to summarize, we want to take an average and different multiplications of that column, so how can we draw our results? This is a very simple method. First of all, we select our table just like this and press Ctrl T. When we will press Ctrl T, this bar will be appeared on it. We will just click OK. When we will just click OK, then different bars will appear. Just we will click on it, total row, and then you can see. And now we will just click on it and click on arrow. There is a different commands we can use. Just like we want to take an average of this row, just click on it and then average value will be appeared. We want to take count numbers, just we will click and count numbers will be appeared. Just we want to maximize sum, all the sum, just all the sum values will be appeared. We want to take minimum number will be appeared. So this is a very simple and very impressive and daily use technique that is very useful and helpful, for those people which are using that, who are using Excel sheets, and they can be resolve their problems in a minute. I think this video will be helpful for you. So thank you for so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and comment my channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.